Working on ankle dorsiflexion after Achilles repair. All right, so difficulty going down the stairs. So you're gonna lock that right heel down and you're gonna translate your knee forward as far as you can. Not to the point where it's painful, but to where you have a lot of tension.
Right there.
Once you're there, now what's gonna happen is you're gonna try and push your forefoot into the step, as if you're gonna do something like this and point your toe. And you're gonna do that for 30 seconds. Go really hard. Yep, you're doing great. Yep, the quad's gonna be burning. You're gonna be doing great. But if you do this daily, this will help and allow you to get down the stairs. Great. You got 10 seconds. Work really hard for 10 seconds. And then 3, 2, 1, and then bring the foot up. So you're gonna pull your forefoot up off the step, but don't let the knee or the hip move. Work, 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 work. So if I came in and slid my hand under there, I would be able to get under your forefoot. Keep working. All this tissue is working in the front of your foot, in front of your ankle. And you're pulling, 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 pulling. Keep going, keep going, keep going. 3, 2, 1.